Hey there, need to send money to a friend or split a bill instantly? Using Chase QuickPay with Zelle is the fastest way to send money directly to someone's bank account using just their email or phone number. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. In your Chase app or online account, go to Pay and Transfer, and select Send Money with Zelle. If it's your first time, you'll need to enroll your email or US mobile number. To send, just choose a contact from your phone or enter their email, mobile number, enter the amount, and hit send. If the recipient is already enrolled with Zelle through their bank, they'll get the money in minutes. My crucial pro tip: treat it like sending cash. Verify the recipient first. Once you send money via Zelle to the wrong person, it's very difficult to reverse. Always double-check the phone number or email address, especially for large amounts. Send a $1 test first if you're unsure. That's how you move money in seconds, safely and easily. Do you use Zelle, Venmo, or another app for person-to-person payments? Let me know your favorite in the comments. For more guides on modern money movement, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.